Measuring and improving affiliate engagement over time is key to ensuring long-term success in affiliate marketing. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to measure your affiliate engagement and take actionable steps to boost it. First, you need to track affiliate performance. This means keeping an eye on key metrics like click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and the overall revenue generated by each affiliate. The best way to do this is by using tracking software to see exactly how affiliates are performing and where there might be room for improvement. You'll know which affiliates are driving the most traffic and sales and which ones are underperforming. Once you've got your data, segment your affiliates. Don't treat all your affiliates the same. Create categories based on performance. This will help you identify high-performing affiliates who deserve more attention, as well as those who may need a little extra support or guidance. Understanding your top performers allows you to reward them and keep them engaged, while addressing the needs of lower-performing affiliates can help bring them up to speed. Next, engage your affiliates regularly. This is where a lot of marketers drop the ball. Keep in touch with your affiliates by offering them incentives, updates, and resources. Regular communication fosters loyalty, and showing affiliates that they're valued is key to keeping them motivated. Whether it's through newsletters, exclusive offers, or special bonuses for top performers, stay connected. One overlooked aspect of improving affiliate engagement is optimizing your landing pages and funnels. A well-optimized funnel can significantly boost your affiliate conversions. Make sure that the content your affiliates are promoting is aligned with high-converting landing pages. This may include split testing landing pages to see which performs better or adjusting offers based on feedback from affiliates. The goal is to make sure the affiliates' traffic is going to the best possible destination. Don't forget about providing affiliates with the right tools. Giving them the assets they need, like banners, ads, email templates, and even social media content, can drastically improve their ability to promote your products. The easier you make it for them to share your products, the more likely they are to engage and drive sales. You also want to continually assess the commissions and rewards you're offering. Are they competitive? If your affiliate payouts are on the lower end, you may want to reconsider your rates. Offering tiered commissions or bonuses for meeting certain sales thresholds can encourage your affiliates to perform even better over time. So, how do we put all of this into practice? We use a software that helps track affiliate performance, provide tools, optimize landing pages, and more, all in one platform. I've tested a few of the most popular options out there, and this software is by far my top recommendation. You can grab an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along with me. Let's quickly review. To measure and improve affiliate engagement, you'll need to track your affiliates' performance, segment them based on results, keep in regular contact with them, optimize your landing pages, provide the right tools, and adjust your compensation when needed. Finally, remember, the best way to improve affiliate engagement is through constant evaluation and communication. So, don't just leave it at a one-time fix. Keep refining and adjusting over time. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great tool to help you improve your affiliate program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.